Cobham in Surrey for a fantastic new project. We've got a front which we are going to change and block pave, get rid of these steps, make it nice and accessible. This home is for rental, so we're going to make it as attractive as possible. Come around the back and show you what's happening. So we will be getting rid of all this concrete here, imprinted concrete. We're going to start by breaking it up with a breaker, piling it up, getting rid of it on a grab. Then we are going to install a fantastic patio across here, a lawn over there, planter for the trees, planter for the tree over there, and then we are going to have a sleeper bed here, giving great access. This is going to be, instead of a horrible imprinted concrete back garden, if you want to call it that, this is going to be a beautiful new landscape garden for clients to enjoy and have. I mean, this is freezing cold at the moment, but when it's like this and it's summer, it's 25 degrees, it'll be absolutely awesome out here. It'll be fantastic. Get the barbecue, get the table and chairs, and the kids running around. It will be awesome. So we're going to get cracking. We're going to break it all up, cause a load of destruction and mess, and then we're going to start getting things out and then getting things back in. It's going to be 600 by 900 porcelain tiles. This is going to look awesome, so stay tuned. All broken up, based up, ready for the paving to go in. Porcelain paving and lawn over there. Another load of concrete to go. Rubbing the edges round. Sand's in compacted. Compaction place. Blocks being brought over. And this driveway is getting laid in. Ready to go. We're going to have a nice border. We're going to use these Shannons, charcoal Shannons, something slightly different. It's prepared. Everything's ready. Just digging out the flower beds there. About to get this all compacted, ready for the porcelain to go down. Fantastic new driveway and looking awesome, getting everything cleaned, washed down as we speak. Let's go through. Ta-da! And a fantastic garden. Looking awesome, sleepers in, cut all the way round. Look at this. Lovely garden, and here we have a nice ramp down, nice little block paved area, everything being cleaned up. Or in the comments, and we could transform the front and the back of your home into a beautifully landscaped driveway, patio, lawn area with sleepers, fully functional, ready for summer, good to go, and a really enjoyable space. As I'm sure you'll agree, this is a fantastic open area. Imagine the enjoyment that you could have in the summer with this brilliant garden. Thanks for watching. See you soon.